Welcome to Dell Tech Support. Having an extra desktop or two definitely has its advantages. Learn how to create and use virtual desktops in Windows 10. To create a new virtual desktop, just click on the task view icon and then in the bottom right corner, click on the plus sign to add new desktops. You can also use the shortcut Control plus the Windows key and the D key to create one. There are 3 ways to switch between virtual desktops. Use the task view, press the Windows key and the Tab key, or press the Windows key and Control and use the left and right arrows. To move windows around between virtual desktops, there are 2 methods. You can click, drag, and drop the windows, or you can right-click on a window and use the menu option Move To. To duplicate windows across virtual desktops, in the taskbar, right-click on an active window, then select Show this window on all desktops. Be aware that closing a window on one desktop will also close it on the others. The same process applies to any app that you open. Right-click on it and select Show Windows from this app on all desktops. To close a virtual desktop, in the task view, hover the cursor over the desktop and click the X. Pressing the Windows key and Control and the F4 key will immediately close the one that you are currently viewing. Closing a desktop this way will not close any other windows being shown on the other desktops. If you ever need help or have any questions, you can always reach out to us through social media on Facebook or Twitter, or join in the chat on the Dell Community Forum. Be sure to check out our other videos on this channel, and if you like this video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.